Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am headed into Giant food stores to do an incredible laundry deal. You guys know I love to stock up on my laundry. This is a deal you can do either online or in the store. Totally up to you. But please remember that Giant does have delivery, and I'm not sure. I think it's $1.99 for delivery or $3.99 for delivery. I'm not too sure, but I usually do mine as pickup. So if you do a pickup order online at Giant, it's absolutely free, and they bring it to your car. So we're going to head down to the laundry aisle so that we can do this incredible deal. Again, I want to thank you guys so much for getting me to 10,000 subscribers. All right, guys, so before I share the deal with you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. And hit the bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a new deal, and you won't miss out. And you'll also get notified whenever I go live. I usually go live at least once a week to talk about different couponing things and sales, what we need to keep an eye out for, and all of that. So this week I will be going live tonight, which is Tuesday, June 13th. And I think it's June 13th. Oh my God, guys, I get so mixed up with the dates and things. It's crazy. But yeah, I will go live tonight. And we're going to talk about some stuff that's going on at Dollar General. And some things to look out for. We're going to talk about Ibotta, which is driving me bananas. And some other things just to give you some tips to save. Okay, guys, so we are here in the laundry aisle. So this week, Giant has a special where you get 2 P&G laundry products for $20. And there's all different ones you can choose from, but it's only specific sizes. So it's not these huge sizes right here, but it's like this size, which are the pods. You see they're regularly $13.99. But they're on sale for $12.99 or 2 for $20. Okay, that's the ones in the tub. Or you can get the ones in the bag. Okay. Or these power pods. Those are also 2 for $20. These power pods here. And these. The power pods only have 25 pods in them. Whereas these have, the 4-in-1 Oxy have 32, the 3-in-1 have 42, and then that 3-in-1 has 42. You can also get some Gain products that are included in the deal. As soon as I find some that are in stock, hold on. I think it's just the softener. So yes, so the big thing of softener, which is regularly $15.49, is on sale for $12.99, but you can get it for 2 for $20, and it's the 4.86 ounce. Okay, so you can get that one or this scent. So keep that in mind. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to get the Tide liquid, and you want to also remember that you can use coupons with this deal. So if you go into your Giant app, you will see there are coupons for all of those products. Guys, also the Tide Free and Gentle are also included. So there you see they're regularly $14.99. They're on sale for $12.99 or 2 for $20. Those are included too. And then all of these Tide liquids are included. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the 2 for $20 Tide liquid deals. And if you go into your Giant app, you will see there's coupons for all of them. Okay, for the liquid as well as the pods and all the Gain products and all of that. So what I'm going to do, because there's only one coupon for each product and you can only use the coupon once, and I'm getting 2 bottles, so I'm going to clip this $3 coupon in the Giant app. First, let me grab my let me scoop my Tide up first. So I'm going to get the Tide with Oxy. I'm going to grab 2 of these. Okay, so I'm going to use this $3 digital coupon, and you see that's for the 92 ounce or larger. And yes, these are exactly 92 ounces. So we're going to use that coupon, and then I went on the P&G website and I also printed off a coupon, so then that way I can get $3 off of both of them. Now with the P&G website, you have to be careful because the coupons are only good for 24 hours after you print them. So if you're going to print them from the P&G website, do not print them until you're ready to go out the store, because I've made that mistake and I printed them and then I said I was going to go to the store and then I didn't go that day, and then the next day came and I didn't go the next day, and then I went 2 days later and they were expired. They are only good 24 hours after you print them, and you can only print 2 of each one. So that's why I didn't print 2, because I wanted to use my digital and then use one paper. That way I could save that other paper one for some other deal that I might want to do at another store. So again, these are 2 for $20. We're going to get $3 off at the register with our digital coupon and $3 off with the paper coupon. So that's going to be $16 out of pocket. That, I say, that's going to be $14 out of pocket. Guys, that is a fabulous deal. That's like paying $7 for each one, and they're regularly $14.99, so that's less than 50% off for each one of these. But the deal doesn't end there. P&G also has a rebate where if you spend $20 in P&G products, you get a $5 gift card, Visa gift card, prepaid gift card. And if you spend $50, you get $15 back in Visa gift cards. So it doesn't have to be all spent on the same receipt. You can have multiple receipts to do that. So I'm going to use this receipt and put it with some other receipts because I want to get to the $50 and get the $15 back. So guys, I'm going to head up to the register. We'll go over the receipt when I get back. Okay guys, so it worked out absolutely fine. There is my receipt. There you see the first Tide for $14.99 minus the $2, which brings it down to $12.99. And then there is the $2.99 when you buy 2, and then the $3 digital coupon. It really becomes confusing, guys. And then there is the second Tide for $14.99. Then $2 off, which brings it down to $12.99, and the $2.99 when you buy 2. So what it does, this would have been way more, but they break it down to take the money off to bring it down to 2 for $20. And then there's the $3 paper coupon that I use. So my total was $14, which is exactly what we talked about. We're not going to talk about tax because you guys know that tax is different in every city, state, and borough. So guys, that's my haul. Go get your Tide from Giant Foods. And don't forget to submit your receipt to P&G website so that you can take advantage of the rebate. And it is pnggoodeveryday.com. Until the next time, keep on saving.